Hello there, today I want to talk to you about these headphones. They've got some really great unique features, but they've got one feature that truly stands out above the rest. That's probably my favorite headphone feature of all time. Welcome back to another video. I'm BobbyInBlue, and on this channel we talk about all things tech. In my opinion, there's been very little growth or innovation in the wireless earbuds market over the last year or so, but these offer a few different features that are very unique and one that stands out far above the rest. These are the LG Tones Free FP9 headphones. LG teamed up with a prominent UK-based audio company called Meridian Audio to help them tune and dial in the audio. The FP9 headphones offer a 3-mic system to help with better ambient noise cancellation, as well as a 10-hour battery life. And if you combine that 10 hours with the charge in the case as well, you get up to 24 hours of use, which is pretty great battery life. Many solid headphones in this range offer less than half of that. Also, the FP9 headphones have a quick charge option where if you charge the headphones for around 5 minutes, they're going to offer you an additional hour worth of use. They are IPX4 water and sweat resistant as well, which brings us to our first of the truly innovative features. This isn't the best one yet, but it's still pretty cool. These offer a UV light inside of them that kills the bacteria on your headphones. So when you place your headphones into the case and you plug them in to charge, during the first 5 minutes or so while they're plugged into charge, the UV light turns on and it kills the bacteria on your headphones, killing up to 99.9% of bacteria, which is pretty great. And I haven't really seen that on any other wireless earbuds. At the time of this recording, the LG Tones Free FP9 headphones cost me $127 on Amazon. For that $127, you get the headphones, the charging case, a charging cable, and 3 different sets of tips to adjust for different ear sizes. You get a USB-C to 3.5 auxiliary or headphone cable, but more on that later. Like many wireless earbuds, the Tones drop into the case and secure with magnets. They fit well and seem to be fairly comfortable. Of the 3 to 5 people I had try them on, they were able to find one of the tips that worked best for them, and overall reported back that they were fairly comfortable and one of the better wireless earbuds they'd tried when it comes to comfort. The Tones seem to have really decent audio quality as well. I would probably place them at a 6 or a 7 out of 10 when it comes to consumer-based wireless earbuds. They also offer the LG Tones Free app, which helps you to customize and dial in the settings of your headphones. The Tones app allows you to really fine-tune and dial in the EQ settings of your headphones that you prefer. So back to those unique features. The Tones actually have a thing called whisper mode, where you can take one of the earbuds out of your ear and hold it up to your mouth. One of them stays in your ear, one of them is held down by your mouth, and you can talk quietly. Not really a feature that I see myself using very often, but it's cool to see them trying different things and innovating. One of the other innovative features they offer is a game mode, which is ultimately their version of a reduced latency mode. So this just allows you to keep up inside of your games and have your audio match what you're seeing on the screen. They also offer an earbud finding system called Find My Tones. And this allows you to locate your earbuds if they happen to be out of the case and you set them down. You press the button on the app and it plays a louder noise on the headphones so that you can find them. Last but not least, my favorite and truly the most innovative feature of these headphones, and it's a feature that I wish that all wireless earbuds had. You can take that cable I mentioned earlier, which was USB-C to 3.5 auxiliary or headphone, and you can plug it into an audio source. My favorite example is an airplane. So you can plug it into an airplane, and then it transmits the signal coming from the airplane or your audio from the show or movie you're watching to your headphones. Having this feature built into the case that comes with your wireless earbuds already is truly innovative, and it's one of those things that when I learned about this feature, that's really and truly the real reason why I purchased these headphones. Just having that option to plug it into an airplane, plug it into any other 3.5 plug, and to be able to broadcast that Bluetooth signal to my headphones and make something that didn't have Bluetooth suddenly have Bluetooth is truly innovative to me and great. It's my absolute favorite feature of these headphones. Now I understand that that's not really a big deal. Most things that we would want to use headphones with today have Bluetooth. And every day that goes by, we're truly moving towards that being the normal for almost any device. But while we're in this in-between, why not throw that feature into your wireless earbuds? And I think it's really awesome that LG included it as a feature in these headphones. Do you have a feature like that? Something truly innovative that just stands out and is very useful to you and one of your favorite pieces of tech? This is definitely one of those features for me. It wasn't until I used these headphones that I realized just how short the battery life on my AirPods Pro is. I even flew home recently from JFK, and because there was a delay and a bunch of planes on the runway, we ended up waiting for about 2 hours on the runway before we took off. So you add those 2 hours to the 4.5, 5 hour flight that it was from JFK to Salt Lake City. And I was pretty worried that my headphones were going to die before the end of the flight, and it wasn't a problem. Not only did the wireless earbuds stay charged, but the case stayed charged so that it could act as that wireless transmitter between the plane and my headphones. Like anything, it's not all good. And here are my opportunities for the LG Tones Free FP9 headphones. The one thing I don't like is it's not exactly easy to open. There's kind of this front lip area right here, and it opens just fine. It's just not the best. The other thing is the bottom half of this case feels a lot more solid than the top half of this case. It kind of just feels a little flimsy, not necessarily my favorite. Another opportunity I'd like to call out is, for whatever reason, this case does not have wireless charging, and I assume it's because they took the space inside of the case to put that wireless Bluetooth transmitter inside instead. So if I was choosing between wireless charging and the Bluetooth transmitter, I definitely would choose the Bluetooth transmitter, but it would be great to see them have wireless charging with these headphones as well. The last opportunity I want to call out is mostly an opportunity for me coming from the Apple AirPods Pro. I really like the device switching on the AirPods Pro. It seems to work really well, and also the pairing process. That being said, the pairing process on the FP9 set of headphones is pretty solid still. I just really miss that extra layer of ease of use that comes on the AirPods. Overall, I really enjoyed the LG Tones Free FP9 headphones. I think they've got a solid set of features. They've got great battery life, solid sound quality, and they're really a great option, especially at the $127 price point. Thanks for watching. I'm BobbyInBlue, and on this channel, we talk about all things tech. If you got any value out of today's video, definitely drop a like below and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos just like this.